It's got the fucking Hearst in it. Very, very nice. Thank you. And it's a 1LE.
Got a whole track car. Thing is cool as hell.
Definitely that. Got the cat bag. Oh my god.
Celica? Yeah.
You don't see too many of them. It's weird because you actually see more 300.
Like, this is
more GC8s than Celicas, which is...
oh,
This is older though, yeah.
and the turbo emblem. That's sweet. I love those wheels. Molded wide body kit. Cool as hell.
So you can see it on
Good to know.
a weekly probably basis. With the 3-cylinder.
Got a GR Corolla.
God, I want a full size so bad. This is beautiful.
You hurt my brain.
Why are you a 9? What? What? Yet another Evo.
Ooh, Ebo.
I'm gonna very carefully have to do this. I don't have a 9.
You don't have a 9? Oh god damn it. This is cursed.
Nice and slow. Jesus. Stop. Stop it.
Is it like finger loosenable? No. God damn it. Dude, the plate is so bent. Like, how does it get that bent?
Wind.
It's got so much horsepower that the wind just decided to bend it.
Yeah, dude. All that drifting.
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Eternal Rose channel. Today we're at one of the...
Undisclosed location in the middle of nowhere. Beautiful.
Beautiful. So this is the... what year is it?
2006.
2006 RSX on... we don't even know what coilovers.
Don't forget the Type S, bro.
Oh yeah, sorry, it's a RSX Type S. My bad. We got the forged wheels in the back. They're
Artists.
and just a
Thing? I don't even remember what they are anymore. I think they're Titans, but I could...
just a tad dusty. Definitely asking for a little help. But the rear end looks nice. Got the Honda badge. There's the other wheel.
Carefully, what the hell is that? Oh, well, that's not going back on. So, easy way of getting those off. Pry tool, or, you know, big screwdriver. Just get it under there, like that, and just give it like a nice few pats. Make sure you don't mess anything up if you're trying to rebuild the motor. This one has rod knock, so this one's kind of already messed up. but should be able to get all of these. There it is. Alright, so you don't need to keep it in one piece. I just don't feel like taking it apart because we are going to sell these salvageable parts. And then these will be the head studs. Oh, these look terrible. These look awful. Okay. Ain't no way.
Is it still not coming out by that?
Oh, it's at half its way. God damn it. I'm gonna do this the hard way. Man. If anyone's wondering, these are a 14, 12 point. Yes, 12 point, because, you know, we're gay. Or something like that. Honda.
Hey, I'm getting there. I'm so close. It's so close I can feel it.
I'm gonna hope so. Your finger's on it.
Damn, they are some Long Johns. Long John Silvers. Isn't that a seafood restaurant?
Yeah. Oh, it smells bad.
That was on. No fucking shot, both of these just broke. Are you on Titan? Or are you on Titan?
Oops.
Oh, God. So, as a reference,
Ready, daddy.
if it'll focus, that's what they're supposed to look like. And then that's what they're not.
This one? Nope. Okay then.
That's great.
That was me though. Oh wait, duh. Where's that right door? Oh, you took it home.
I mean,
Well, this one was like a literal crowbar.
ah.
Yes.
Who needs crowbars when you have screwdrivers? We got 3 screwdrivers now. Getting serious. Alright, so we took the flywheel off. There are those 2 bolts that were priorly broken in there. And it smells like garbage. Like, very much. It's just kind of spinning.
How the f am I supposed to do this? What the fuck?
Alright, so we got the head off, as you can see.
Among other random. Keep your stuff assorted. Don't do this. This is a motor with rod knock. We are just salvaging what we can so it doesn't need to be organized.
Yeah.
So we will get that done and we will be back.
Yup. So, I'm filming this with the wrong hand because this hand's gloved. But we got the oil pan off. It is... I'm only using one hand here.
How do I describe it? Blown. Not a hole in the block, but blown. Very blown.
If we take a field trip over to here and take a nice good look in here, if this won't get in my way, you can see lots of little tiny metal shards in there. And if you look at my finger, you can see one very large metal shard. But when I come back here, preferably before you guys flip it, an engine over, drain the oil, so that doesn't happen.
Not bueno. She blew. I think she blew the last guy a little too hard.
You're not gonna believe this shit. Oh, we got it off, and
to absolutely no one's surprise, because you know that one wasn't all of the gunk. No, totally not.
might be rod knock.
These are loose, by the way. This one's the one that's tight. Yeah, I think a bearing's gone. Just a little. It's done. It's toast.
And we look at this piston here, you will see a whole nice little bit of just crunchy metal there.